I go to school.
I go to school.
We go to the cinema.
We go to the cinema.
Do you often go for a walk?
Do you often go for a walk?
He says nothing.
He says nothing.
They say it is important.
They say it is important.
I see the bird.
I see the bird.
Do you see the moon?
Do you see the moon?
We see the movie.
We see the movie.
He knows the answer.
He knows the answer.
Do you know that?
Do you know that?
We know everything.
We know everything.
I give you the book.
I give you the book.
We give our best.
We give our best.
They like to give gifts.
They like to give gifts.
He takes the bus. He takes the bus. Do you take medication regularly?
Do you take medication regularly?
I take a book from the shelf.
I take a book from the shelf.
I eat an apple.
I eat an apple.
Do you like to eat pizza?
Do you like to eat pizza?
They eat together.
They eat together.
He drinks water.
He drinks water.
Do you drink coffee?
Do you drink coffee?
We drink tea.
We drink tea.
She reads a book.
She reads a book.
We like to read.
We like to read.
I write a letter.
I write a letter.
Do you write an email?
Do you write an email?
They write stories.
They write stories.
He speaks English.
He speaks English.
Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
We speak quietly.
We speak quietly.
She learns French.
She learns French.
Do you learn a lot?
Do you learn a lot?
We learn together.
We learn together.
He works in the office.
He works in the office.
They work hard.
They work hard.
I sleep 8 hours.
I sleep 8 hours.
Do you sleep well?
Do you sleep well?
She buys a dress.
She buys a dress.
Do you buy bread?
Do you buy bread?
We buy fruit.
We buy fruit.
He sells his car.
He sells his car.
They sell vegetables.
They sell vegetables.
I live in Berlin.
I live in Berlin.
Do you live alone?
Do you live alone?
They live happily.
They live happily.
He loves his family.
He loves his family.
Do you love me?
Do you love me?
We love nature.
We love nature.
She hates lies.
She hates lies.
Do you hate rain?
Do you hate rain?
They hate war.
They hate war.
I hear music.
I hear music.
Do you hear the noise?
Do you hear the noise?
We listen to the radio.
We listen to the radio.
The flower smells good.
The flower smells good.
We smell the scent.
We smell the scent.
I feel pain.
I feel pain.
Do you feel the cold?
Do you feel the cold?
They feel happy.
They feel happy.
The cake tastes sweet.
The cake tastes sweet.